Sanibona Zamani Zulu Nation. This is me, Zamani, and coming to you today with a song by Johnny Clegg called Zodwa. So, straight away, Zodwa is a girl's name, and comes from sometimes Izintombi Zodwa. So, Zodwa here means only. Zintombi Zodwa, now only girls. So, sometimes it's a way for the mother to say, we've only had girls. So by the time, say if the third girl comes along and the father's wanting a boy, the mother's gently saying, listen, we only have girls. It's in Dombi Zodwa. We only have girls now. Enough. Like, no more children. Cool. So, first lyrics are Zodwa, wadla imali yami. Okay, so Zodwa, speaking to Zodwa. If you say U Zodwa, we're speaking about Zodwa. Zodwa, speaking to Zodwa. Zodwa, wadla, you ate. Imali, yami. Imali, yami, my money. Wadla, imali, yami. And then kubuhlungu, it's painful. Kubuhlungu, it hurts. What you... nice color scheme there. Wa, what you, past tense, what you, enza, done to me. Okay, so it's what you've done to me hurts. Kubuhlungu owangenza kona Zodwa. Again, Zodwa speaking to Zodwa. Cool. So just before that, let's go to the song quickly and have a listen for these things. Cool. So that's sort of the call. It hurts what you've done to me. And then there's a response that comes. So this is saying Zodwa. Again, speaking to Zodwa. Zodwa, isenzo. Your deed, your actions, your action or what you've done. Isenzo. It's sort of related to this enza. Enza is to do. Enza is just a verb to do. If you want to make it into more of a noun thing, it becomes isenzo. Maybe one that you'd recognize would be dinga. Dinga is to need, just dinga by itself. Like enza is just, in its verb form, is just a little thing on the end. Dinga, D-I-N-G-A, means to need. Enza goes to isenzo. Dinga goes to isi dingo. Isi dingo. The TV show, The Need. So they're saying Zodwa, isenzo, your deed, isenzo sako, sibi, is bad. It was bad. Just note over there, isenzo, isi word, isi beginning of a noun. It's sort of all the sounds, all these S's after are sort of rhyming with the beginning of this word, isenzo. So that's just Zulu's way of keeping track of what we're speaking about. So isenzo, it's got an S sound. Isenzo, sako, we know what of yours, it's your deed. Sibi, sort of an it is bad. So dwa isenzo sako sibi. Let's listen to that quick. Okay, so next line we've got awubheke manje. Oh, just look now. Awubheke means like just bheka literally means look. Awubheke, it's sort of saying, no, come on. So awubheke manje. Manje, now. Angisenalutho. Okay, let's break that down. Ngi is me. Angi, I don't. Se is the anymore. Na is the have. Lutho, nothing. I don't have nothing. Angisenalutho. Ngezenzo, because of the deeds zakho. Okay. Quick note, yeah. Isenzo, one singular. Izenzo is in there. I. Izenzo. Isenzo, izenzo. Isenzo, one deed. Izenzo, deeds or actions. Isenzo, sako, your deed, singular deed. Izenzo, deeds. Now we have a Z in the beginning. Izenzo, zako, your deeds. Awubheke manje. I don't have anything anymore because of your deeds. Let's listen again, quick. I'm saying I know two more wanges on so I'm saying I know two cool. And then just skipping ahead a bit to the chorus. Again, he's saying Zodwa, talking to Zodwa. Ngaswela, I've lost even amabhuluke. Even don't have any trousers left even. Another lyric in there is trousers and shoes. Literally got nothing anymore. No trousers, no shoes. Ngaswela amabhuluke. I've lost even my pants. Ngezenzo, from your deeds. Where Zodwa? Where Zodwa? Where someone? Where Brian? If you want to call me. If I call someone else, where John? Where Sipho? Where Senzo? Senzo, Zulu name. That's just how to call someone. Where someone? Where's Banban? And so, or what's his face? In Zulu is Spanban. Where's Banban? If you can't remember someone's name, Spanban, Spanban. Okay, so I've even lost my pants. Don't even have any pants or shoes because of the deeds, your deeds. Where's Zodwa? Listen to that again. That's over here. Back to the top. There we go. Cool. So, well done. Thank you very much for sticking with. Hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Salani kahle.